From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
The history of Dutch kibbeling. A taste of the Netherlands' maritime heritage. Kibbeling, one of the Netherlands' most beloved seafood snacks, has deep roots in the country's fishing traditions. The dish consists of tender chunks of white fish, traditionally cod or haddock, coated in a light, crispy batter and fried to golden perfection. Its name is believed to derive from Koppeljaw Dutch for cod, specifically the leftover bits once the prime cuts were sold. In the past, these smaller pieces were a thrifty way for fishermen and their families to enjoy the day's catch. Originally, kibbeling was a practical meal among coastal communities where fresh fish was abundant. Over time, it transitioned from a humble home cooked dish to a popular street food, especially in harbor towns like Volendam and Scheveningen. By the mid-20th century, kibbeling became a staple at Dutch visperman fish stalls and herringandels herring stands, often served with a creamy garlic or herb-based remoulade sauce and a wedge of lemon. As global fish stocks have faced pressure, the Dutch have adapted. While cod remains traditional, sustainable alternatives like pollock and pangasius are increasingly used. Kibbeling also reflects the Netherlands' cultural openness. Some vendors now experiment with spices or international dips, blending tradition with modern tastes. Kibbeling is a symbol of Dutch coastal culture. It represents the Netherlands' enduring connection to the sea. Whether enjoyed at a bustling market, a seaside stand, or a winter festival, it remains a delicious reminder of the country's maritime heritage, simple, satisfying, and deeply ingrained in Dutch food culture.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.